Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to paint a lake. Begin by sketching the horizon and main shapes with light pencil marks, then block in the largest color masses. Focus on sky, distant land, and water separately, keeping values simple. Plan where reflections will mirror highlights and shadows. Choose 2 or 3 dominant colors for harmony, and keep brushes for broad shapes before moving to details and edges. Start with the sky using horizontal strokes to create a smooth gradient, working wet to wet for subtle blends. Keep the distant land muted and cooler than the foreground to suggest atmosphere. Block in large shapes and avoid detail at this stage, focusing on value relationships. Use a soft brush for distant edges and reserve crisper strokes for closer elements later to build believable depth in the scene. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while painting and consider the Owala water bottle for reliable sips between brush strokes. It keeps water handy and is easy to grip. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals on supplies. That small comfort can make long sessions more enjoyable, so grab a drink, relax, and now let's get back to the video. Mirror the sky and shoreline colors in the water, making them slightly darker and softer to read as reflections. Use horizontal strokes and subtle shifts in value to suggest ripples and movement. Layer thin glazes or diluted paint to adjust transparency without losing the underlying tones. Add brighter highlights where the light hits the surface, and soften edges that are farther from the viewer for a realistic sense of depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.